Hi, third graders. Today in math, we're going to practice subtraction with regrouping. We're going to do some examples together, and I'm going to show you how I break apart the tens and regroup them in order to subtract. Please follow along on your paper. All right, so I'm going to rewrite my problem just like they did. My problem is 32 minus 24. And I already got my blocks ready. Well, almost. I need one more 10, don't I? All right, so there's 32. Here's my equation. So I'm going to do it both ways. I'm going to do it the standard way, and I'm going to show what it looks like with the blocks. So in the video, they told us to always start with the ones place. I have 2 ones, and I need to subtract 4. So right away, I go over here, and I'm like, 1, 2, wait. I can't take away 4. I only have 2. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to break it apart. And now, how many ones do I have? You can see they're broken apart. I don't have 2 ones anymore. Now I have 12 ones. What about my tens? Do I still have 3 tens? No, I only have 2 tens. What we just did is called regrouping. We grouped our numbers in a different way. This is still 32 if I count them all up, but now it looks different. And now I can solve it in an easier way. So I have 12 minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how many I have left. Oh, I have 8 ones left. I have 2 tens and I need to subtract 2 tens. So they are both gone. So there is nothing there. I could put a 0, but I'm just going to leave it blank. My answer is 8. Let's do another example. I have 40 and I want to subtract 23. First, I need to subtract 3 ones. I don't have any ones. What do I need to do? Yep, we're going to break this apart. Now, I have 10 ones. So I'm going to show that over here. I don't have 4 tens anymore. I have 3 tens. I still have 40 total as my value, but I changed it and made it look different. And now I can start to subtract. So 10 minus 3, 1, 2, 3. How many ones are left? Yeah, 7. I have 3 tens. I need to subtract 2 of them. I have 1 10 left. So this is my answer, 17. All right, we can also do this with 3-digit numbers. So this time I'm trying to solve 100 minus 63. Starting in my ones place, I have 0 ones and I want to take away 3. Oh boy, I've got to break this up first into tens. Pretty cool. Okay, so now I have 0 hundreds. I have 10 tens, but I still don't have any ones. Oh, double whammy. I'm going to break apart one of my tens into ones. So in this problem, I'm actually regrouping twice. I have to move my things around. All right, so now I need to change this again. Let's see if I can use a different color. How many tens do I have now? You're right, I only have 9. And I finally have 10 ones. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, so 10 minus 3. I have 7 ones left. 9 minus 6 in my tens place. 6. Looks like I have 3 left. And I don't have any hundreds left. So my answer is 37. All right, let's do another example. Now I have 123 minus 49. Okay, I have 3 ones. I need to subtract 9. I don't have enough ones. So by now I'm starting to realize I'm going to go to the next place value and I'm going to, we call it borrow. I'm going to borrow one of these tens or regroup. Sometimes we use either word. So I know I'm going to break apart one of these tens. Let's do that right now. All right, cool. Now, how many ones do I have? I had 3, and now I have 10 more. So now I have 13 ones. And I knew this number was going to change also. I don't have 2 tens anymore. I only have 1. All right, 13 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like I have 4 left. 1 minus 4 is 3. Wait, sometimes kids do that. They're just like, well, I can't do 1 minus 4, so I'm just going to think of it like 4 minus 1. But you can't do that, right? You only have 1 10. You cannot take away 4 tens because there's only 1 there. Okay, so don't try that. Don't try to be sneaky. I'm going to need to go next door to the next highest place and break it apart. How many tens do I have now? I only had 1. But now I have 11. I don't have any hundreds left, okay? I have 11 tens. Let's solve. 11 minus 4 is 7. So here's my answer, 74.